The 2027 Kia Seltos is arriving as a ground-up redesign, and it's bringing more style, more space, and more technology than anything this nameplate has ever delivered before. If you've been shopping the subcompact SUV segment and walking away feeling like every option looks and feels exactly the same, this is the model that's about to change your mind. While most competitors in this class are making small, incremental updates and calling it a new generation, Kia is rebuilding the Seltos from scratch, new platform, new cabin, new technology, and a hybrid powertrain on the way, and the gap it's creating over the competition is significant. New look. Right from the first glance, the 2027 Seltos is arriving with a design that turns heads. It's a full redesign, built from the ground up, and the visual transformation is nothing short of dramatic. A lot of buyers in this segment spend weeks researching, comparing specs, reading reviews, and then pull up to work or the grocery store in something that looks exactly like every other crossover in the parking lot. Nothing about it sparks a second glance. The 2027 Seltos is arriving as the answer to that problem, because the new styling draws heavy inspiration from the Telluride, Kia's flagship three-row SUV, consistently praised for its bold and premium presence. All of that in a much more compact and affordable package. The front end is wide and assertive, with a broader grille and star map LED lighting found on the flagship EV9. Muscular fenders and flush door handles are giving the Seltos a silhouette that reads far more premium than its price tag suggests. Available matte finishes like ivory silver matte and magma red matte are adding to the sense that this is a very different kind of small SUV. In a class where everything tends to blend together, that kind of visual ambition matters. But a bold exterior only goes so far, and what Kia has done on the inside of the 2027 Seltos is where things get really interesting. Cabin redesign. What Kia has done with the interior of the new Seltos is possibly the most significant part of this entire redesign. The outgoing cabin was decent, but the new one is arriving from a completely different direction. Kia's designers went to the EV9 for inspiration, and the result is a cabin that feels airy and lounge-like, with sophistication you wouldn't normally associate with a vehicle in this segment. On certain trims, the gear shifter is relocating to the steering column, freeing up significant space between the seats. Selectable ambient lighting with 64 available colors, chunky metal door handles, and multi-tone color schemes are all reinforcing the premium feel. Even the lowest trim levels are getting multi-tone interior color combinations. Anyone who has spent time in the backseat of a subcompact SUV knows the feeling. Knees pressed forward, headroom tight, every long drive becoming an endurance test. That's where the size story becomes one of the most important parts of the 2027 Seltos. Overall length is growing to 174.4 inches, while the wheelbase is stretching by 2.5 inches to 105.9 inches. Rear legroom is climbing to approximately 39 inches, putting the Seltos in contention with vehicles from a considerably larger class. Cargo capacity behind the second row is also growing, from 26.6 to 27.8 cubic feet, and a panoramic glass roof is replacing the old model's basic sunroof on upper trims. So the cabin is transformed and the space is genuinely impressive. But if you think that's the biggest upgrade in the 2027 Seltos, wait until you see what Kia has packed into the technology department. Technology. Kia is loading the 2027 Seltos with a technology package that's punching well above its class. Two 12.3-inch screens are sitting side by side beneath a single pane of glass, pulling from Kia's latest connected car navigation cockpit architecture. Think about how often you're in a vehicle where the screen is too small, the voice assistant barely understands you, and finding a simple setting requires 3 menus and a guess. Kia has addressed all of that in the 2027 Seltos. An AI assistant and voice command system are part of the standard setup, while available upgrades include a 12-inch head-up display and a Harman Kardon premium audio system, features you'd normally expect from vehicles costing considerably more. Digital Key 2 is also arriving, allowing drivers to lock, unlock, and start the Seltos using only a smartphone. Safety technology is getting a meaningful upgrade as well. Highway Driving Assist 2 is coming as an available feature, with semi-automated lane changes and evasive steering assist, updated forward collision avoidance, a safe exit warning, rear automatic braking, and a 360-degree surround view camera are all part of the new package. The previous Seltos was already strong in this area. The 2027 model is raising that bar further. Now, all of those updates are genuinely exciting, but there's one area where Kia made a very deliberate decision to leave things alone, and it's actually the right call. Powertrain. Familiar. While the platform, body, and cabin are all completely new, the Powertrain lineup is staying on familiar ground. These are proven engines with years of real-world use behind them, and Kia has no pressing reason to change something that's already working well. Base models are carrying the naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder, rated at 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. With the previous generation, this engine was returning around 28 miles per gallon city and 34 highway with front-wheel drive, and comparable figures are expected from the new model. For buyers wanting a more confident daily drive, the 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder is producing 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, connected to an 8-speed automatic. In the outgoing Seltos, that setup was hitting 60 miles per hour in around 7.3 seconds. Fuel economy with this engine and all-wheel drive is landing around 24 city and 27 highway. Both engines are benefiting from the new K3 platform, which incorporates 61% high-strength steel, up from 49% previously, resulting in a body shell that's going to be noticeably quieter, stiffer, and more rattle-resistant over time. And while those two engines cover a wide range of buyers, there is a third powertrain option coming for the 2027 Seltos, one that could end up being the most important of all. It's electrification time. One of the headline announcements surrounding the 2027 Seltos is the arrival of a hybrid variant. It won't be ready for the initial launch, but the Seltos Hybrid is coming, and its arrival is going to change how the segment views this vehicle entirely. The hybrid system is expected to be based on Kia's proven 1.6-liter GDI hybrid setup, the same system already deployed across the Niro, Kona, and Sportage. Total output is going to land around 140 horsepower, a modest figure, and there's no point pretending otherwise. But here's what matters for a large portion of buyers in this class. If you're filling up 2 or 3 times a month, watching the cost add up, and wondering whether there's a smarter way to own a small SUV, Kia Seltos Hybrid is the answer that makes financial sense. Fuel economy ratings are expected to improve substantially over the gas-only versions, and in a segment where running costs weigh just as heavily as sticker price, that advantage compounds quickly. The hybrid is also introducing Kia's Smart Regenerative Braking System 3.0, along with vehicle-to-load charging capability. When it reaches showrooms, every Kia SUV and minivan in the US lineup will be offering a hybrid option, a significant milestone, with the Seltos playing a central role. All of that capability is compelling, but none of it means much until we talk about when this SUV is arriving and what it's going to cost. Release date and price. The 2027 Kia Seltos is heading to US showrooms within the next few months, with gas-only variants expected on sale in the third quarter of this year. Hybrid versions are also anticipated within the same calendar year. Pricing is about to start at approximately $26,000, with the range climbing to around $33,000 across the trim lineup. The gas lineup arrives in 4 trims: LX, S, EX, and X-Line, with the X-Line bringing rugged visual styling and enhanced off-road capability. Hybrid models are offered in S, EX, and X-Line forms. Kia CEO Ho-Sung Song has confirmed a target of 100,000 units annually in the US market, up from roughly 60,000 today. The 2027 Kia Seltos is arriving as one of the most complete redesigns in the subcompact SUV segment in recent memory. A Telluride-inspired exterior that finally gives this class a vehicle worth a second look. A cabin that's bigger and more premium than before. A technology package that rivals vehicles costing significantly more. Proven powertrains on a stronger new platform, and a hybrid version on the way, adding a compelling efficiency argument. Starting at approximately $25,285, every one of those improvements feels like a genuine win for the buyer. The competition in this segment is strong, but with this level of transformation across every area of the vehicle, the 2027 Seltos is making a very convincing case for itself. The new Seltos certainly looks promising, but don't forget that this segment is loaded with excellent alternatives. If you want to learn more about them, make sure to start with our next video, which explains why the 2027 Mazda CX-30 is so special. Premium interior, excellent driving dynamics, and strong reliability score are just some of the reasons.